Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by claiming the right role. Make sure you are organizer or set as presenter so recording is allowed. Next, open the exact window you will share and run a quick mic test. This avoids redoing takes. Once done, enable recording and transcription in the meeting controls so captions are captured. You do this now because capturing audio and captions at the start locks quality and searchability later. Make sure to tell participants recording will start. Then click Join and start the recording immediately. Once recording has begun, switch to PowerPoint Live so you control slides and keep your presenter notes private. This improves flow and prevents awkward on-screen windows. Position your camera at eye level and choose 9 slides for consistent framing. Higher than 720p helps clarity if bandwidth allows. Break content into 10 to 15-minute segments and verbally label each segment so the transcription and timestamps make later editing far easier. Make sure to monitor chat for quick questions and pause briefly between sections to breathe and regroup. When you finish, stop the recording and remain in the meeting until Teams shows processing has started. This prevents partial files. Next, download the video and transcript so you can edit precisely using timestamps for cuts or to extract segments. If you encounter audio issues, first normalize levels and apply a noise reduction filter. This fixes pops and background hum. Finally, upload the final video back to Teams or Stream and set permissions. If something still fails, re-record the problematic 5-10-minute segment rather than the whole session.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.